The Civil Reserve Air Fleet is part of the United States' mobility resources. Selected aircraft from U.S. airlines, contractually committed to Civil Reserve Air Fleet, support United States Department of Defense airlift requirements in emergencies when the need for airlift exceeds the capability of military aircraft. In 1952, after aircraft were commandeered for the Berlin airlift, the Civil Reserve Air Fleet was created as a more orderly way of serving emergency military needs. The fleet has two main segments: international and national. CRAF has been activated 3 times. The first activation was as part of Operation Desert Shield. The second was once as part of Operation Iraqi Freedom. In 2021 it was activated as part of Operation Allies Refuge in Afghanistan. The airlines contractually pledge aircraft to the various segments of Civil Reserve Air Fleet, ready for activation when needed, to provide incentives for civil carriers to commit aircraft to the Civil Reserve Air Fleet program, and to assure the United States of adequate airlift reserves. The government makes peacetime airlift business available to civilian airlines that offer aircraft to the Civil Reserve Air Fleet. Department of Defense offers business through the International Airlift Services. For fiscal year 2005, the guaranteed portion of the contract was $418 million. Air Mobility Command previously reported that throughout fiscal 2005 it planned to award more than $1.5 billion in additional business beyond the guaranteed portion of the contract. To join Civil Reserve Air Fleet, carriers must maintain a minimum commitment of 40% of its Civil Reserve Air Fleet capable passenger and cargo fleet. Aircraft committed must be US registered, and carriers must commit and maintain at least 4 complete crews for each aircraft. As of June 2014, 24 carriers and 553 aircraft are enrolled in CRAF. This includes 517 aircraft in the international segment with 391 in the long-range international section and 126 in the short-range international section. There are 36 aircraft in the national segment. These numbers are subject to change on a monthly basis. The U.S. Department of Defense regularly issues contracts and task orders within the Civil Air Reserve Fleet program. For example, on October 1, 2018, U.S. Transportation Command issued millions of dollars of task orders to members of the Civil Air Reserve Fleet. On October 1, 2019, U.S. Transportation Command again issued millions of dollars of task orders to members of the Civil Air Reserve Fleet for charter airlift services. Less than 1 year's worth of Civil Air Reserve Fleet operations was worth roughly $357 million. The following air carriers are members of the Civil Reserve Air Fleet. This article incorporates public domain material from the United States Air Force document. Civil Reserve Air Fleet.